For centuries, the Amazon rainforest was believed to be untouched, a vast wilderness too harsh for ancient civilization. But beneath the trees, hidden by green canopies, lies a secret only recently revealed: perfect geometric shapes, roads, cities, built thousands of years ago. This is the lost Amazon, and history got it wrong. The Amazon geoglyphs are massive earthworks carved directly into the soil. Perfect circles, precise squares, some more than 300 meters wide. They are not natural. They are planned, measured, and repeated across vast regions of the Amazon. These structures remained invisible for centuries. Only when forests were cleared and satellites looked down did the truth emerge. What archaeologists found shocked the world. Not villages, but an organized landscape shaped by human hands. These were not isolated structures. Straight roads connected the geoglyphs. They linked rivers, settlements, and ceremonial centers. Together, they formed a vast urban network, suggesting a population once numbering in the millions. Researcher Graham Hancock believes the Amazon once supported a sophisticated civilization, not one that conquered nature, but one that worked with it. A civilization erased by catastrophe, disease, and history's blind spots. When Europeans arrived, the cities were already gone. Disease wiped out survivors. The forest reclaimed the land, and history assumed the Amazon had always been empty, but the earth never forgot. The Amazon geoglyphs rewrite human history. They show us that civilization does not always rise in stone. Sometimes it lives in earth, works in silence, and disappears beneath the forest. Hidden, but never erased.